Modern boats rely on technology as much as engines. In places like Fort Lauderdale, local marine electronics dealers are essential. These professionals do more than sell products. They design, install, and support critical systems like VHF, GPS, chart plotters, radar, and audio networks, all tailored for real marine conditions. Why not just shop online? Because installation isn't plug and play. Certified local dealers follow strict standards, integrate systems correctly, and provide real-time support. When it comes to boat audio, pros use marine-grade gear like the JL Audio M3 Series 7.7, designed for open-air sound and saltwater durability. With high-end vessels, complex integrations, and safety on the line, choosing local expertise, like Garmin Marine certified installers, is the smartest move. If you're boating in South Florida, partner with experts who understand your boat, your needs, and your waters.